Docker is amazing, and that's what I'm running now on my phone. And I can run Kali Linux, Ubuntu and anything I want with that. And the best part is that I don't even need root access to use it. So in this video, I will walk you through set up Docker right on your Android phone. Ready? Let's go. But before that, what is Docker and why we should use it? So Docker is a tool similar to virtual machines, but the difference is that virtual machine virtualizes hardware and software both, but Docker only virtualizes software, means that Docker shares the kernel with the host operating system and creates another file system to run a different operating system. And that's the reason it is very lightweight as compared to virtual machines. And now the another question you may have is that why we should use Docker on Android phone. Instead, we can use root to install different distros. So I'm not showing you this to install different distros in Docker, but I'm showing you so that you can learn Docker right on your Android phone, as it is one of the required skills you should have if you want to get into IT. And as most of you don't have PC, so that's the reason I'm making this video. And of course, if you have a PC, you can use that. Now before we proceed further, what do you need? So you just need an Android phone with at least 3 gigs of RAM, and also you need to have Termux installed with virtual machine running in it. If you don't have, you can watch this video right here. Once you have that, you are good to go. So just launch Termux and we'll launch my virtual machine, log into it and execute following. Press I to start typing and uncomment community repo. Then just save it with escape:\wq and enter. Now update the repositories apk update and quickly install Docker. apk add docker. Mine is done. So just execute following to start it. Service docker start and check that it's running or not. Service docker status. Now it's time to say hello to Docker. So just execute docker run hello-world. And if you see something like this, just give few seconds to it and try again. And it's here. Docker is running and saying hello to us. And you should also say hello to him. Go and comment it below. Next, instead of using Docker here, we can access it through Termux. So just power off the machine and open a new session. Then just open launch script. And here after this port, we will forward one more port to access Docker. So just give a comma and write following. Then save it with Ctrl X, Y and enter. And again run the virtual machine. Then go to Termux and update the repos. And install root repo, package install root-repo-y. Then finally install Docker, package install docker-y. Now we need to connect Docker from our virtual machine to here. So go to the virtual machine and start Docker, then stop it, and now execute following. And what this will do is that it will run Docker daemon on this port so that we can access it through Termux. And if you see cgroup error here, make sure to start and stop Docker service first and then try again. Now go to Termux and specify the Docker host and forward variable with localhost /root375. You can also put this in your .bash rc file so that you don't need to execute it again and again. Now if I execute docker ps here, look, it's working. But wait a second, we didn't install our favorite distro yet. So let's quickly install it. Docker run -it ubuntu. Give it some time and here it is. I'm running Ubuntu inside Docker right on my phone. And if you don't need that, just exit from there. Same way I can run Kali Linux docker run -it kali-rolling. And now I am inside my hacking machine. And if you don't know these image names, you can check Docker Hub to find that. And once you are done using Docker, make sure to stop it with Ctrl-Z in the virtual machine. So yeah, that's how you can run Docker. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe the channel.